Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to create your Amazon account without cell phone number. So simply you have to open your browser. You can also sign up through your Amazon mobile app. So simply I have opened the browser. Here simply create out your Amazon account. So simply type here your name, and here you can add your email address. Like I have added my email address. Now here you can create your password. So you can see we have set our password, we have added email, and we have also added our name. So simply click on verify email. Now you need to wait for the confirmation message. So now go back and check your Gmail. So here you can see our OTP is received 598191. Simply type here 598191. Click on create Amazon account. So here you can see finally our Amazon account is created. So in this way you can simply create your Amazon account without cell phone number.